Hey, what is going on everyone? This is Wicked and today I have the honor and the pleasure to flash a brand new version of Android on my GTI 9505 Galaxy S4. The Android and AOSP ROM, which I'm going to be taking care of today, is an early release, so you should not expect everything to be working perfectly right out of the box. This is a ROM made by GDC team and thumbs up for them. First of all, let's get rid of the installation part, so we could get really fast into the ROM. Without further ado, let's get wicked. So, a few things that you need to do before getting into this ROM is knowing that you'll need a custom recovery like this one, ThemeWin Recovery Project, and after you've got this, I have a video on how to flash it if you're actually new into this kind of stuff, but if you already have it, please make sure you wipe your device after you've done that. But if you're running a custom ROM, custom configuration, a stable one which you don't want to lose, please make sure you backup it like you can do it here, swipe to backup. But after you've done that, this was an optional step if you want to restore the backup afterwards. After you've done that, all you need to do is to wipe your device, as I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, so after you've done that, please make sure you get back, and then click install, and right here in the internal storage, you'll have a bunch of files. The first one is AOSP 7.0, then it's the Google Apps Team Ready Lollipop Marshmallow N, and then here it goes, the OpenGAPS 7.0 Mini on the 3rd of September, the latest release date. So the order when you'll have to flash this ROM is the following. Make sure you note it down because you don't want to mess this up. The ROM, the OpenGAPS, and the Google Apps Team Ready. So we're gonna click and install the ROM. GDC team, Android, open source project 7.0, formatting, installing, and we'll get back after it flashes. Okay, so after you flashed the AOSP 7.0.zip, then go and flash OpenGAPS ARM 7.0 Mini. Okay, so after you flash the Google Apps package, then in order to get it team ready, all you have to do is to flash this zip, Google Apps Team Ready Lollipop Marshmallow N version 21.4 Aroma, and you will be able to check out whatever you want. It is a simple menu where you can choose what applications you want to theme. So theme ready apps, Gmail, Google App, Google Contacts, Google Data, Google Plus, Notes, Photos, Play Store, YouTube, and yeah, click yes, and everything should be flashing right now. It shouldn't take too much, and sooner or later we're gonna be checking out the brand new Android and animation. So done, enjoy, and back to menu. Actually, we're gonna exit Aroma, and afterwards we are ready to click reboot. Okay guys, I'm back with this Android N 7.0 Nougat. Let me show you how it looks like, because about phone Android 7.0. So yep, this is the brand new Android version. It won't do anything. It will display a little emoji kitten. This is the new brand Android M, and sorry, I got used by saying the Android Marshmallow, Android N, but now this is Android N 7.0, and believe me, I'm really surprised. I have played with it a little bit, but most of this review will be a real-time review, so I'm talking while I'm browsing this beautiful phone with these brand new beautiful features. Okay, so let's get into this review. I'll split this review in a couple of parts. I'll talk about the brand new features, the theming options with the brand new Substratum theme engine. I'm actually running a blacked out theme. As you may see, everything is blacked out, especially the apps. And we're gonna be getting to the performance tab. Maybe we'll talk about the battery life because it's not that great. Again, I'll tell you, this is an early release, blah blah blah, and you shouldn't expect everything to be working out on the box. Again, I have to mention that. So let's get into the brand new features. The first one is the notification bar, which looks like this. New squared notification tiles right here, and everything looks pretty minimalistic, more minimalistic than it used to look before. You won't have those rounded edges. Now you have some squared ones and they look great. You have the ability in some certain apps to reply to a message, and this is how we do it. Again, you have some Gmail mails. You can again expand them like you used to do before, and it gives you a more all-in-one experience, so you can easily dismiss a mail like this. It's a really quick alternative to the old one, like getting into app, replying, deleting some mails. Here you can dismiss them already just by a swipe, or you can reply to them. As you may see, I installed a theme called Domination, a Substratum theme engine. We're gonna get into this later. And I took a screenshot to show my friends that I'm running Android 7.0 and and a couple of apps I installed in order to check out everything. Google, Chrome Dev, BusyBox, Antutu benchmark. A bug which I noticed is that S-Fix isn't working, but I thought I could fix it by installing BusyBox. It didn't fix it, so S-Fix, you won't be able to customize the kernel, but believe me, it works great as it is like this. It may be fixed in future releases, but for now on, this is great already. Okay, so we talked about the brand new notification panel. Let's get into the toggles. We have here some interesting toggles. The Wi-Fi, the usual stuff, flashlight, which is working perfectly. Do not disturb button. Sorry. For an hour until you turn this off. Done. So I hit do not disturb button. And what is interesting about this notification bar is that you can add another features and other tools like invert the colors, data saver. You can put it right here, so you can have them all. You also have an interesting thing here from some Substratum theme engine, chars cookie, it's char run, cookie again, invert colors. It's really useful when you are outside and you won't see shit in the sunlight, directly into sunlight. And data saver, it helps reduce the data usage. And these are the tools that this ROM comes with. Another feature is the brand new settings app. The first thing I noticed when I got this ROM was this settings app, because I went into about the phone and saw Android 4.7.0, sorry. And here we have some suggestions regarding your device. Use your voice OK to search, change your wallpaper. You are actually told to set up a screen lock in order to protect your phone. You can add another email account again to protect your phone, to protect your personal work. Right now, as you may see here, I'm really great fan, big fan, sorry, of blacked out theme engine. And take a look at how beautiful it looks right now. Only plain black and white, and everything is clear. Another feature about the settings is that everything is shown. Some little details are shown in here. For example, the Wi-Fi is connected to my local network, AOSP. Bluetooth is disconnected, but I'm gonna get to it later in order to see if music is working. Data usage, more, have bunch of stuff here, NFC, and here you have display adaptive brightness is off. So something related to this subcategory of the big category called device. Everything, some details, some really nice details are written here, which will help you more than Marshmallow used to do it before. Ring of volume, as I set my device to do not disturb mode, it's set at 0%. You have some information about the apps you installed, storage, information. The battery is 53%, approximately 1 hour 45 minutes left. Again, this is a really interesting feature. You don't need to get into here in order to know something related to the battery, how much time you got left in order to watch some movies. But this is the whole idea of this brand new Android 7.0 Nougat. As you saw from the notification bar, everything is kind of stripped out to the minimum. Everything is where it should be. This is a brand new Android experience. It will help you more after you get used to it. It won't be that easy when you see it, but after a couple of maybe days, you'll get really used to it, and you'll notice that it is gonna be even simpler to use. It's getting more and more minimalistic and really easy to use. Again, some information about your location, security, Google account, gplus.to, the information about the time zone, printing, 0 print jobs, and developer options, and again about phone Android version 7.0. as you saw before. So yeah, another feature that comes with this brand new Android 7.0 Nougat is the multi-window, and this is how it works. So you press down the home key in order to get into the recent tab panel, and if you want to enable split screen, I got used to Samsung multi-window from Samsung, or for example you want to open up Chrome dev and get the latest news here, as you may see, and you also get this working. You are able to maximize this if you want, and get rid of the split screen. Again, another interesting feature that really caught my attention was the ability to switch back and forth between the latest two apps. So if I open up Chrome dev and long press it again, and it will get into settings, and so on again into Google Chrome dev. That is a really nice feature. A lot of you guys, maybe you haven't really noticed, but you are switching back and forth between two apps maybe most of the time you use your phone. For example, you are browsing to a website and you receive a message, then you open up WhatsApp, and then you get back in your browser, then you may be sharing again something on WhatsApp, and you switch back and forth between only two apps. You don't need tons of apps in order to switch back and forth from them, and that's why they integrated this feature, which is a really nice feature, and I really appreciate it. So enough about the features part. These are the biggest ones that I noticed. Please make sure you write me down in the comments what you discovered more after after you flash this ROM. Let's get into the theming part, because this is a really interesting part you want to take care of. The Substratum theme engine. So you have here, I have here the domination theme, which you can see. I have the blacked out dollar, the blacked out messages, and blacked out Play Store. As you may see, everything is opening pretty quick, and also the Google search bar is blacked out. Even the Google Now is blacked out. Everything is blacked out, instead of actually the notification bar is not blacked out, and I think it will be fixed in future releases, because I think the theme hasn't been updated, either theme or the Substratum theme engine, in order to theme these notification bar. Okay, so camera is working perfectly. I've tested it, and you won't get again that annoying camera failed message. It is working properly. So it is rooted, as you may see. So it says Galaxy S4 is rooted, and you can use many rooted apps with this. Again, let's get into the performance part, because I know most of you guys want to see the Antutu benchmark score, which is the following: almost 39,000. This is a really high score, and it is specific to the brand new Android N operating system. Great score for Antutu benchmark. Yeah, let's get into everything that you want to find out. And the first thing would be the Bluetooth capabilities of this device. Let's connect to Edifier, my Bluetooth speaker, and let me show you that. Sorry, I have to get my okay, and set it to Bluetooth, and I'll show you that it is working perfectly. I've listened to music a couple of minutes ago, and it worked perfectly. So let's play a song. As you may see, everything is working perfectly. This annoying beep continues to fuck me right in the ears. So yeah, everything is working. I don't know if there might be some problems with the audio in call Bluetooth headset problems. I read some XDA threads related to those problems, especially on Marshmallow. I think they continue to be, on Android N. Yeah. What else? I think that's kind of it. I told everything about the apps. Everything is right in place. Again, with this theme, you will be able to set up your preferred theme. You can download themes from the Play Store or Play Store Substratum themes. Everything is listed in here. Again, this is an early release, so expect bugs. Somebody told me that this ROM, or in general AOSP ROMs, sucked because they don't have beep and go, they don't have the barcode scanner included, they don't have some really Samsung features. This is pure Android, guys. Again, this is pure Android. You won't be asking about Samsung bloatware shit, useless applications like S-Twix, S-Voice Translator and so on. This is the Android pure experience, the brand new Android N 7.0, and yep, that's kind of it. You need to get familiar with it, try it. Please make sure you write down in the comment your feedback after you tried it and report me some bugs. But this is an evolution. Believe me, I did a Marshmallow update, I think 1 year ago, and right now I feel, after testing out so many ROMs, that this Android Nougat has something to say, and it's a revamped Android experience, renewed. It's really great and cool, fast, smooth, again like the Marshmallow was, and includes some other features, a notification bar, the multi-window, which is perfectly working and stable. this is Android, and it will help your life. It will make your life easier afterwards with these brand new features, and the Android experience is way more evolved than it used to be before. So if you like my video, please make sure you thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, and all the links for these ROMs are linked in the description. Please make sure you visit that also. And thank you for watching, guys. This was Wicked. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Bye bye.